thing where the wind won't mess with the speaker, but I'm looking at these plants, and I think that, I don't know, maybe 25 to 30% are starting to bud on these bare root. Hard to say, because some of these little buds they look okay, like they're trying, but they're really small. And I don't know if I'm just wishful thinking or what, but I think we're going to get some of them to bud out. If we do, that'd be great. But we're obviously going to have quite a few that probably don't bud out, which might just be the way it is, and we'll have to replace them at some point. But we have really good luck with those potted ones. They're going nuts over there. Their last probably 5 rows are just really doing good. So we're on day 12, and we're probably, maybe getting a little bit too anxious on these bare root, but we've had some cool nights. It's starting to really warm up. Yesterday was almost 100 degrees, so we'll see. I think we're getting there. Gonna get these posts in. I know I've been talking about these posts for a while, but man, I hope we get them in today. It's just getting ridiculous.
We got our windows down, driving the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Saturday night.
Maybe we'll do all right. I don't know. We'll see.
Never wanna have no bars. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the